There's nothing quite like a clam bake. It's a celebration of the ocean's bounty, it's a time to gather with friends and family, and it's an experience that engages all the senses. Imagine the aroma of fresh seafood, sweet corn and smoky potatoes. Picture digging into a pile of steaming clams, their shells glistening in the sun. Hear the laughter and conversation as everyone enjoys the feast. A clam bake is more than just a meal, it's a tradition. It's a chance to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life, and it's an experience you'll never forget. Clam bakes have a rich history in New England. Native Americans taught early settlers how to cook with the bounty of the sea. They used hot rocks and seaweed to steam clams, lobsters, and other shellfish. The tradition of the clam bake continued through the centuries. Families and friends would gather on the beach for these special meals. Today, clam bakes are still a popular way to celebrate summer. Whether you're on the coast or inland, you can recreate the magic of a clam bake. It's all about good food and good company, so gather your friends and family and get ready to enjoy a true taste of New England tradition. A successful clam bake requires fresh, high-quality ingredients. Start with the star of the show clams. Look for little necks or cherry stones, which are perfect for steaming. Next, you'll need lobsters. Choose lively ones that feel heavy for their size. Corn on the cob is a must-have. Select ears with bright green husks and plump kernels. Don't forget the potatoes. Small, waxy potatoes like Yukon Golds will hold their shape during cooking. And for a savory touch, add some smoked sausage. Now let's build our clam bake. You'll need a large pot with a tight-fitting lid. Layer the bottom with seaweed or dampened cheesecloth. This will create steam and infuse the food with flavor. Next, add a layer of potatoes and sausage, then arrange the clams and lobsters on top. Cover the pot tightly and bring to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat to medium-low and steam for about 45 minutes or until the clams open and the lobster meat is opaque. Serve immediately with melted butter, lemon wedges and crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy!